Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical. On today's video, we're at Slaithwaite School. So screw fixers sorting them out with their LED upgrade and 4 light. Let's get into this. You're there. Right, so we're into the school then. So it's got a full LED lighting upgrade we're doing for them. So they've just had a delivery. Let's have a look what we've got. This is the main hall then. So we've got the oldie worldy light fittings with the old tubes in. So we're going to swap these out for the LED equivalent. So it's going to be a lot cheaper to run, a lot more efficient, a lot brighter. So there's a stack of lights over there then. So what we're going to do is get the lights on first. Let's see how dark it is in here. Let's ping them on then. Alright, so it didn't get that much brighter, did it, Joe? But yeah, I think that's all the lights on. There we go, that one. This one ain't even working. For some reason that does both. So the lights are on, it's not that much brighter in here, but yeah, we can't even get these on. I think these are all deado, so I can understand why it's a bit dark in here and they want them upgrading. But yeah, these are the lights then. So we've got, what have we got, 123 lights, Jonah? 128 lights there is. We've got 104 of the 4 light panels, so they're the 600 by 600s. We've got 23 dome lights, so we've got these nice little domes, and then again by 4 light, it's part of the Ansel group, so we all know Ansel and 4 light, and then we've got a 6-foot LED batten, which is still to come. Right then, so let's get these unpacked then. So the caretaker guy wants us to get all these with the cardboard skip then, and then he's going to get some weighted down on top so they don't fly away in the wind. It gets quite windy, doesn't it, in the valleys of Huddersfield? But there we go. What do you think then, Jonah? Are you up for the challenge? He's ready for it. Look at these, we're rich. We've got a lot of drivers there, so we've got like 100 and whatever it was. Over 100 drivers there, over 100 light fittings, all set up, ready to go. So we're just going to do 2 of the entrances and work his way around then. Jonah's too fast, he's already done these 2 already. So basically we're taking down the old one, it's the old tube type, so really inefficient. We'll swap it out for the LED panels then, we'll give you some details on those later. But yeah, so Jonah's wired it up then. So what you do then, it's just live earth neutral. If we can open him up. Come on. There we go. So just live earth neutral. You can loop in, loop out. Like some drivers, you can only put 1 cable in, which is annoying. Because if you do want to just loop in, loop out, you can't. You've got to have a junction box and another connection, wasting time. So this is great. So you basically just go live earth neutral, get your clamp on there, and that secures it in. And it just clicks in like that. Nice and easy. Right, Jonah, take it away. Right, so whilst Jonah does that then, so this was the area that was super dark then. So winter nights are coming in, they're trying to read books in here. This is like a book place. A bit annoying really, they can't even see the words and they're trying to read to the kids. So this will be a massive impact actually, because that light didn't work and that's the only light for this area. There we go, he's got it in. Can you do it, Jonah? There we go. I'm just going to pop that side down, get that ceiling tile back. And that is first one done. So my turn now then. So with these panels then, it's got a CT selector, so you can have daylight, you can have cool white or warm white. So the school wanted cool white, so let's get that selected, and it is selected. So we're just going to get this installed now then. Get rid of that sticky. So the driver's done already, so just going to plug it in, and it's got these little locks on it so it can't come undone. So if you look there, it's got like a locking mechanism, so you do that, do a twist, it can't come away now. Right, so we're going to shove all this in the ceiling. I think you did a better job than me, Joe. It's flying out again. Look at that, super smooth. Here I did one earlier. It's going to have to go that way, isn't it? So when you've got tight spaces, the bigger fittings or deeper fittings are really hard to get in, but these are super easy to get it out of the jar. Look at that, give them a little wipe off, there's the job done. There we go, all the rooms are set up now then. So what we've done is got all the drivers ready, the lights ready, all unboxed, all ready to go. This is the old light fitting, look at that. It hangs down a bit, doesn't it? It's weird. Never seen one of them like that before. Let's get this installed then. So I'm just going to pop it out. So these edges come down. These clips just pop down like so. Arm clips. There we go. So that's that bit down. And hopefully these will just slide out then. So they have been just popping up. So look, can we do it? Oh, there's wood above. There's wood above. I might take a bit of doing this. But look at that. Straight on wood. Flipping out, that took some doing. Absolutely mashed it in half to get it out. Took a bit of ceiling grid out. But we're there. Here we go then. Let's get this panel in. Just gonna make sure it's on cool white. There we go. Bit of jiggery pokery. Yeah, we're absolutely smashing them out there. So these lights have gone in, looking nice and slick. I know you can't see much because the lights are off and the GoPro doesn't do well in the dark. But yeah, all the old fittings are there, ready to go in the recycle skip. This room's nice and bright actually with the skylights. So this room won't be much different, but all the rest will be a massive difference because it's super gloomy in there. Right, John, we're going to go for a bit of munch. What do you fancy? A little cafe.
Hello.
I want a full English breakfast.
Right.
Absolute roasted through that way.
True.
No. Oh, we love a good English breakfast with this spam. What have you got then?
Bacon, egg and sausage.
Oh, look at that. Go on then. That marks out of 10. With John's fresh new nashes.
Six.
Come on, give us a smile. There we go, his braces are off. I remember him going on and filming you. Great installation video. You dropping your tools straight away. There we go, so we've been fitting these 4 light from Screwfix. Oh, they're stocked at Screwfix anyway. Ansell Group. But yeah, they're pretty decent. So I'll show you how quick they are to install there. So before we had to mess about with wood. It was a bit of a nightmare, but follow me there. This section of the building's pretty decent. So it seems to be a nice void above. So give it a shove. There we go. Little twist. And he's out. So back there we had to contend with loads of wood, pieces of wood, which is not ideal. Right, so this driver then, it's all push terminals, which is pretty decent. So I just do 2 fingers like that then. Little half strip. Strip, bend, bend, pull. There we go. Same again. Just a little strip on that. So we've got that much copper to play with. There we go. Right, let's get this twisted up then. So it's got these like little clasps at the side, which is ideal. It's got its gripper there ready to go. So neutral in there. Like so. Earth in there. So you just push it down with a screwdriver. As soon as you let go, it clamps it really tight. And then line. So now we're just going to get the gripper in. So just tighten them up now. So if you have 2 cables in here, it'll tighten equally. But it'll still tighten and grip it even with one, which is pretty decent. And that's clasped together like so. Easy as that. Now we're just going to find a little CT. So we want it on daylight, which is the oh no, cool white, which is the middle, and then we're just going to plug that in then. So you got daylight, warm white and cool white. So super handy. Dust off the dust, and that is a job done. So we've got 3 minutes of fitting to get these done, so they're super quick. Push terminals help, so you don't have to have a junction box and connectors. So if you use Wagos, they're like 30p a connector. A junction box could be just over £1, so you're paying £2 per connection. Let's say there's 125 here, that's 250 quid lost straight away just on connectors and junction boxes. So yeah, that's saved quite a bit by using these fittings. We have light. How much brighter is that? Look at that, the kids can see and read. And we're back. So Brian's been here yesterday doing some of the other lighting then. So all them dome lights got done. I've got a spam and egg, we've got the film crew coming in. It's gonna be good. Can we sneak up on Brian? Here he is, how we doing?
No, mate, you alright?
Good, look at this, Brian Hunter, Finney Electrical. Yes, sir. I've heard you've been chopping up scaffolding. What's all this about?
Well, needs must. Time's
Needs
money,
must. Time is money. Yeah, so basically we've got some scaffolding delivered. They didn't order these, they're literally that size, but you normally put one on top of the other and you can stack them. They didn't order them, so what we had to do was basically get the angle grinder out and chop it down. Look at that, it's the perfect height. That's exactly what we want. But yeah, it was literally, if you would have put it on top, it would have come straight through the ceiling, which is not what we want. So we've had to forfeit a damages fine and replace 2 panes, but you got to do it. If not, they said, oh yeah, we can get a scaffolding down, but it'll be like, it could be any time today, and that's no good for us because the film crew are coming at 1, so it won't be ready in time. And that's the main feature, isn't it? The big hall. You don't want a little pokey classroom for the full footage. You want to see all these lights in a hall, and that's super bright, super helpful, and that's where all the energy savings are really. If they're always on, they're costing a fortune, you know what I mean, per fitting. You put these cheaper LED panels in, saves them money, doesn't it? Alright, that's just got 2 to do, so it's up there already for me. So let's climb up then. We'll knock the power off, make sure it's dead. I'll just get these swapped over then, and then that'll be this job done. Jonah's doing the 6-foot batten. I thought I'd lost him. What is up there? Nearly a fitting down then. There's 2 hatches. Must have been using this one. Yep, that's it. That'll do. And we're up. So we've just got this one to replace then. And we've got this one to replace. The film crew is down a little bit earlier then. So he just bobbed in then, so he's going to get me a little installation shot so he gets to see the last light get put in. We'll get that done. And then we're going to do some interview questions then about the products. Talk about Screwfit's got like a click and collect service, so talk a bit about that. So yeah, it's going to be a good one. Right, so we've got Alex down here then. So he's going to be getting some shots, asking a few questions then. So he's got his proper setup. That's it. That'd be right whilst you're working, wouldn't it? Yeah. Very good.
Landscape so that it fits with the video we create. Obviously we'll pass over to you if you want to use it on yours as well.
Yeah, no, that's spot on then, yeah. We've completed the interview questions then. I'm always rubbish at reading off the scripts. Didn't do too bad, Alex, though, didn't I?
They were really good, and also you were brilliant on your interview.
Thank you. I don't know about that. Bit fumbly. But yeah, so these are the classrooms we've done then. So everything's nice and super bright. So we've got the dome lights at the end. 6 of the 600s in here. There we go, and this is story time. This is the book club. And that light won't work and they couldn't see a thing. But yeah, that's this project done. Welcome to the car wash. Car wash, yeah, right, he wants a video of us going to screw fix and my van's a bit grey, should we say, instead of black. Come on, 4 arms. Can't squirt any longer, Brian. There we go, squeaky clean. Ready for a photo shoot. Look at that, that's what we want to see. Right, we're going to get rid of the
The evidence.
The evidence now. Yeah, it cuts through quite easy, doesn't it? They're quite smooth, aren't they? No one will ever know.
Our secret.
No, I'm definitely getting charged for two panels lost. That'll be a couple £100. Ooh, but at least we got the job done. That's the main thing. Look at that, Finney Electrical, we get the job done. Here we have a wild apprentice losing his tools in the skip.
Hold it!
How did you drop John in the skip?
Throw it in right.
So yeah, thank you for Forlight and Screwfix for sorting this out. The school obviously has got a full LED upgrade for free, which is pretty cool then. So we've sorted them big time out. They can use them savings from the LED to pay for some other school funding stuff. So hands up to them. Little shout out to them. Thank you very much. Right, if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification so you know when we next upload. As always, we're going to have a good one from me. And we've got Brian, and we've got Jonah.
Hello.
And I'll see you on the next one. So glad I didn't fall in the skip.